kept pushing on, but then you went too far.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am giving you another update of the new house and it's looking incredible. So I'm going to give you another little overview of the entire space for the upstairs, but this is the upstairs. This is the second floor and it's going into, this is the laundry room. And as you can see, the vanity is already in. We're getting ready to order the washer and dryer and get this room all sorted out. And this is all the way on the second floor. This is my brother's master bathroom. Y'all, this bathroom is insane. I have never seen anything this beautiful in person, and it's absolutely stunning. I just love the way that he designed it. I believe he does want to paint the vanity black. I don't think he should. I think he should leave it natural, but it's his bathroom and it's going to look great either way. This is his bedroom area and it is humongous. It's huge. We're headed into his walk-in closet where they built it out with the shelving and all the storage capacity that he needs. And it is a dream. It really is a dream. I just love the way that it looks. Giving you another once over of the bathroom. Y'all, this place, it is so stunning. I mean, he had a designer come out and help him with it, and they did an awesome and amazing job. I love the upstairs walkway, this beautiful focal wall, and this is my son's bedroom. He has a fan in his room, which is so cool. Modern, but it's really cool. I'm not a modern person, but I love the way that it looks. And this is another guest suite. This bathroom is going to be for the guests and also that my son can use, which is absolutely stunning. He is so excited to have his own bathroom, by the way. He doesn't have to share it with his sisters and myself. So this is the once over, and I just wanted to kind of show you guys what the entire space looks like on the first floor, which is just stunning. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. The colors and y'all know neutral is my thing, so I am loving all the neutrals, and this kitchen is just heavenly, y'all. The island is 10 feet long, and the pantry, the cupboards in the black, it's just absolutely stunning. It's like a state-of-the-art kitchen. Now this bathroom is the bathroom in the basement. We are downstairs in the basement area, and I am going to be going over everything and explaining everything. They're installing the toilets and the sink, vanity and everything today. So that should be done. And then we finally have lights in the entire house, you guys. So all the light fixtures, as you can see, is up. This is my little kitchenette area. The countertop is on. The sink is in. We're waiting for the microwave and the refrigerator to get in here, but it's almost done. It is almost done, and I can't tell you how excited, as you guys can see. I am elated. I am so overjoyed, you guys. My kids and I are just so grateful. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how grateful. We are just so grateful. So this is what I do. When I'm processing, I am mapping things out, where furniture is going to go, what is going to, be in the space, how it's going to fit, how it's going to look. I'm getting all the dimensions together and just mapping things out in my head. So what you see is a process that normally happens behind the scenes in my head, and then it goes onto my mood board, and then you guys get to see it. So this is, I'm working with an empty space. I'm working with, just a shell of a place, and I'm just mapping everything out. So I'm not crazy, I promise you. This is just my process and how I do things. But I am so excited, and oh my gosh, I just cannot wait. Y'all, God is so good. When I tell you God is so good, and just a little encouragement that when he tells you to do something, jump on it. When he tells you to move, move. When he tells you to stay still, because he already has the plans. He already has the provisions for you. And y'all, has he made a way? And continuously making a way. And so I am just super excited, so grateful to God, so grateful to my brother. I can't tell you how softly my kids and I have landed. And I know that other people may have it worse than we do. And I am just so humbled by this experience. I am so humbled for the favor of God on our lives, and just super, super grateful. I am so excited. You guys, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. I have been mapping this place out in my mind. I've taken videos, I've taken pictures, and I'm literally mapping it out in my mind. So let me see if I can give you guys an idea of what I'm planning on doing. So this is going to be the living room. This whole area is the living room, right? Humongous. So the TV is going to be mounted on this wall. And I'm going to be ordering like a console table, like a dresser with the fireplace in it. Because y'all know I got to get my fireplace somehow. And it's going to go there. I'm going to be putting a chair in the corner right here with a standing lamp. And then right over here, I'm going to be doing a gallery wall of photos. Right here, I'm going to do a dresser because my bedroom is going to be here. That was the entryway. I'll explain it to you, but I'm going to put a dresser here, which is going to house my clothes. And, you know, mirrors, artwork, whatever it is going to go above it. Right here, I'm going to put a 3-seater couch with 2 recliners. And then I'm going to have like a side table here with a lamp, and then a side table here with a standing lamp. And then I'm going to have another chair, like cat corner right here with an ottoman. And then my coffee table is going to go right in the middle with the rug and all the things. Then right here, I'm going to have a dining room table, and I'm going to be putting, I'm going to put a dining room table maybe for 6, just so that anyone wants to come down here and eat, they can, but I have enough room for family, friends. So I'm going to put a dining room table right here to seat 6. I do have a sink, and that's going to be a microwave and a little refrigerator. So that's going to be there. And here, I'm not really sure what I'm going to put there yet. I think I might put like a little hutch or pantry type thing, like a little hutch. But here is where my desk is going to go. So this is going to be like my little corner office, so to speak. I'm going to put my desk here, and this is where I'm going to do all my editing and, everything like that. I am starting my WREATH business again. So my dining room table is going to double as my workspace as well. So this is where I'm going to conduct all my businesses. And then obviously that's Nyla's bedroom. So then right here, I want to do like a hutch, and I'm going to put a picture of it, but I'm going to do a hutch right here where I can do it, like put my coffee bar and all my dishwares and all those things. And then right here, I want to do a secretary desk. So, I can have as much storage as I possibly need. And then right here, I'm going to do a window bench because the girls like to sit in the kitchen while I cook. So I'm going to do a window bench here as well, which I am so excited about, you guys. I am super excited about this apartment. Oh my goodness, I just can't wait. So let me explain to you guys about my bedroom. So this is the entry. That's the staircase from where you come from upstairs. So on this wall, I'm going to do an oversized wall mirror. And then right here, I'm going to do like wardrobes. So it's going to be 2 wardrobes right there. And it's going to house my clothes and, all my clothes and towels and bedding. On this wall right here is where I'm gonna do a Murphy bed. I'm gonna do a Murphy bed right here. So it's gonna be like a dresser looking console table. I'm gonna show you a picture of that. And it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be a dresser in the daytime, and then at night I can pull it out into a queen size bed or full size bed. I don't really need that much space. I just need a bed, maybe a full size bed. And then on top of it, I'm gonna have a mirror and, you know, vase and all the decorations and everything. And then on this wall, I'm gonna do my, like, another gallery wall, and then my rug and everything. So I actually have a master bath. It's a bathroom for the entire basement, but it just so happens to be in the space that I am going to be sleeping in. So, y'all, I am so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am. God is so good. He is so good, you guys. And I am so excited about this space. I am so excited about everything. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I showed you guys the patio. So this is our little patio. This is gonna be our little patio. Obviously, we're gonna be doing landscaping and everything like that, but I'm so excited about that. And the pool is just beyond the little bush shrubberies right there. But this is our patio for you know, for everybody really, but for me and the girls especially. I'm gonna do, you know, patio set, like a sectional, some egg chairs, and like a little coffee table that we could come out here, we could sit, we can eat, we could dine, whatever, and we could just have a good time out here as well. So I am very, very excited and very grateful. I love to come here throughout the day. I try not to come too often because I don't want to get in the way of the workers, but I like to just come throughout the day and just, you know, just see everything, see the updates and all the things. So everything is looking so good, and it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful, and I have the best lighting for filming, and I am so excited about it. You guys have the best lighting, like, for filming. This is just, it's just so great. So yeah, that's the update. Wanted to give you guys a little update, a little tour of mi casa. Me and my kiddos, and we are so excited, and we're moving in a week and a half, you guys. So a day or so before school starts, we're gonna be moving in. So we are just so excited about it and cannot wait to get in here and start just mapping out things and bringing all our stuff and having a place to settle and to settle. So I hope you guys enjoy this tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys hopefully in the move-in. Hopefully that will be the next thing, is the move-in. If there's another update that I have to give, I will. But hopefully the next tour will be the move-in date. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and your girl loves you too. All right? Bye, guys.
When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel